Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we did the weekly outlook on Monday, and we had some few pairs where we actually analyzed them a bit to see where the market might go. And some of them didn't move and didn't give us definite direction of where the market is going. And I know a lot of people were unable to enter some of those trades. And today I just want to make sure that I dedicate this YouTube video for you guys, my subscribers, for everyone. Make sure you catch it very fast, because this is actually something that is happening right now in the market, and we might get a possible entry on this pair. Now we are going to be doing USDZAR. This is actually an updated version. If you saw my previous video on USDZAR, uh, we actually had some predictions that we wanted to see happen, and we were actually able to see that USDZAR was actually stuck between two prices, which means that the market was ranging for some time. So now we got the breakout of that box, right? We were able to take a few trades, I think 2 trades during the past 2 days, during the past 3 days, actually. We were able to take 3 trades. And I think today I would just want to give my subscribers something to look out for, to say that, okay, now that we have seen the definite move of USDZAR, what can we do now, right? Now on this video, we will be talking about that. We will be talking about what you could do now at the moment. Now I'm just going to remove all the previous drawings that you see here, and then I will be explaining them step by step up until we can get to the point where you can have a possible entry in USDZAR, right? Now let's clear this out so that we get a clear picture of what is happening here. Now this is the current trend. Let me use this here. This is our current trend here. Oh, sorry about that. My pen is going nuts. This is our current trend here, and this is our current price market. And what we want to see is what will happen on this market here, right? Now, before we see that, we firstly have to get a direction of where are we trading at and what has happened to give us the confidence to trade this pair and in this particular direction, right? Now we saw price moving to the upside here, right? We saw price pushing to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, right? We then had price create this high here and then fail to break previous levels of structure, and we saw price actually range within this area here. This is on our previous video on USDZAR and gold analysis, where we were talking about that the market is actually currently stuck in a box, if I might say, to say that the price is actually currently ranging, right? Now, what I want us to do is to actually put zones in the market where we say, okay, the market had come to these levels and couldn't break through these levels, right? This can be visible here, where we actually got a breakout a bit, but we actually pulled back. The market actually pulled back into the box and then continued ranging. Also here we had a pull outside of the box to say that, okay, this is not actually a true breakout, and we saw the market coming back down into the ranging market here and here also. Now on, I think this was on Tuesday, on Tuesday somewhere here, we saw price break out of that channel, right? We saw price break out of the channel. And in seeing that, we actually had a trade at that first breakout of the box to say that okay, price is moving to the upside. I think this was Monday evening, yes. In the evenings of Monday, we saw price break out of that ranging. And now what we're getting is that price had actually, now remember that this was our previous higher high, right? Now this is our recent higher high. Now what we would like to see, we would like to see price push a bit down into this level here, giving us entry reasons or giving us consolidations to showing us that price is rejecting that level before we see that impulse move to the upside, right? Now, why am I saying this? Is because we have actually broken previous level of structure, which is the structure here, We had actually broken previous level of structure, and we are actually seeing a new level being formed in the market, right? Now, what we want to see for us to get an entry for this is to actually go down to lower time frames, identify the structure of what is happening here, and actually wait for that opportunity for us to enter with a buy continuation to the upside, or actually we could actually see price break into this channel again and continue falling to the downside to this support area there, right? Now, moving down to the 1 hour time frame, what we want to identify is we want to see how price is behaving around this this area here. Okay, I just want to make sure that this thing is visible to everyone. Yes, let's focus on the current structure, what is happening. Now, I just want to bring a few things to light for other people. Now, let me remove this level here. Now, even without identifying previous level and just working on what is happening currently in the market, we can see that we have previous level of structure here being formed, right? And what could happen is we could get a retest of that level, right? Before we see the market push to the upside, right? Now, in predicting that, let us use what has happened previously that most of you might have missed to say that, okay, maybe we could get a similar thing happen in the current market, and to say that maybe we could get an entry into the market. Now, previously, what I want to show you guys is that we had price break previous level of structure here, right? But what we were waiting for is a clear break of that level, right? A pullback into that level, see price getting exhausted here, seeing rejections here, and seeing a level of structure being formed. Now, it might not be clear, but this level here, it's actually a level of structure, which you might have missed. You might have not said, okay, I am not getting a level of structure being broken, but this area here is a level of structure here, right? Actually had the opportunity to enter this trade on the close of this 1 hour candle here, with our stop loss being below level of structure and our risk reward ratio of 1:3, right? We got profits being smashed and actually seeing the market moving in our direction. Now we actually had another opportunity to enter the market at this level here. Now we could see at this level here that a level was formed, right? Let me pull this down here. A level was formed. That level was failed to be broken, right? It failed to be broken. Now, what we must do when a level is failing to be broken is that we must identify another level in the market where we could actually say that we could have opportunities to enter the market, which is this level here, right? Now, on the close of the 1 hour candle here, this is an opportunity for us to say, let us enter the market, right? Now, in order for you to get these kind of possible trades, you have to be patient enough to wait for the candle to close. Now, giving you that giving you that uh confident candle, confident momentum, showing you that yes, I am now in a bearish move. I have broken previous level of structure and I am ready to move in the direction which I am showing you now. Okay. Now, what we need to see happen at this current market structure here, we can see that a level is being formed. Remember that this is the 1 hour time frame. Some of the levels might not be visible. Now, this is a level in the market. We will go down to um, the 15 minutes time frame in order to identify such levels, right? Now, what we want to see is we want to see price fall a bit down here, right? Or we want to see price rejecting this level here and giving us a bullish momentum to say that I have actually failed to break the level I created, and I am showing you signs of a, a bullish momentum, right? We will enter on that candle to say the market is pushing to the upside, right? Now, but for now, we just need to stay calm, wait for the market to show us signs that it is actually rejecting a level and giving us that momentum candle to say that now we can enter the market at this level structure here, right? Now, the level that I was talking about is this level here. As you can see, we actually also have another level below here. This is the level on the 1 hour time frame, which has not been tested yet, right? Now we want to see price breaking either below this level. We want to see price breaking either below this level, pushing to this area here, right? Or we want to see price actually break this level to say that it is continuing to the upside, right? Now, this does not mean that you have to be on the market 24/7 waiting for this thing to happen, right? Plan your trades properly, set those alerts, wait for them to show you signs that, okay, I have actually broken previous level of structure and I am ready to proceed in this direction, right? Now, it doesn't matter which time frame you use for your entries, but just have your rules of entry and make sure you follow those rules uh, correctly, and uh, you don't you don't you don't change your rules oftenly. Now, if you're waiting for this level to be broken, make sure that this is the level you are waiting for to be broken if another level is not being formed. Now, this level here, we might see price push to the downside if you are not seeing uh price behaving the way that you want. Wait for it to show you clear signs of you being able to have a confident trade in the market, pushing you to the upside or pushing you to the downside. Now, this is my analysis for you guys, and I hope that you catch this trade. For those that want to actually see our results when we have entered this trade, or whenever we are able to get into this trade, do make sure to click the link to our telegram link. That is a free group which we have, and we do actually send setups there. We actually share a lot of stuff there, so you can actually go to that link and make sure that you are in that group so that we can actually enjoy these entries, this learning, this knowledge with all of you. And if you have liked the content that I have put out for you guys in this video, do make sure that you hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button, click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload uh, content like this, because content like this, it doesn't need you to catch it after a long time. Now, if this trade plays out and some of you miss it, it's fine. Just make sure you click that bell button, click that subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a video.